To be honest with you, at times I find myself questioning the ritual of worship music, standing among the crowds, wondering if this is really what God asked us to do. But he did. Maybe not in the exact style that we experience, but music is a big part of who God is. He himself wrote a song for the Israelites in order for them to better understand how he loved them. And his song goes like this: He is the rock, his works are perfect, and all his ways are just. A faithful God who does no wrong, upright and just is he. The Israelites experienced these truths when God delivered them from slavery and miraculously led them through the Red Sea on dry ground. God had been their rock, and his ways had been perfect, even in situations where they doubted him and experienced fear. And what did God do? He put these promises into a song so the Israelites would never forget, no matter where they go or what they experience, they can trust in God. You and I can trust in him too. When we are in uncomfortable situations, we can know that he is a faithful God and does no wrong.